Hi guys, in this video what we have done is we have set up a Telegram channel and then ran Hermes Agent on our GPU which is running here, and then we integrated it via OpenRouter. We have integrated with this model DeepSeek V4 Pro model. So let's go ahead and get started and let's see how we can configure everything and get all these outputs from the model via the Hermes Agent. Let's go. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to run Hermes Agent with this new amazing model DeepSeek V4 Pro. And if you look at the files and versions of DeepSeek V4 Pro, it's about 865 GB, which is not easy to run on your local system. Even the Flash model, which is DeepSeek V4 Flash, which is just 160 GB, it's again difficult to run on a local system. So you need a GPU or a VPS. So the best GPU VPS that I use is Runpod. You can go ahead and check out the links and sign up for the first time if you want to use Runpod. But basically what I have is this system, NVIDIA SMI. I have this GeForce RTX 4090 and I have about 24 GB of VRAM. So let's go ahead and get started and use Hermes Agent. I'll show you how to start Hermes Agent, connect with the Telegram, connect with an LLM, and do everything. Okay, so let's go and start up with Hermes Agent. So for this I'm going to copy this command, bash command here, and just paste it here. So curl fssl, and it's downloading from Neos Research, and you can see that it's installing and getting everything's ready. It's pretty automated, you don't need to think much. But let's go ahead with the quick start here, and I want the provider, inference provider, to be selected. The provider that I am going to choose is the OpenRouter because it has thousands or hundreds of models that you can use. I need an OpenRouter API key. So go ahead and make a new account on OpenRouter API key. It's a paid service, so you need some payments to be made. Just $5 is enough. And then I go ahead and go to this page, API keys, and generate a new API key, copy the API key and paste it here. Once I paste it, API key is saved. And then I can select this model, DeepSeek V4 Pro, which is, you can see the model is $0.43 for input per million input tokens and $0.87 for per million output tokens. Oh my god, they have reduced the price. It was about $3, I believe. So let's go ahead and use that and set up messaging now. Yes, I want to set up Telegram, so I can say 1 and press enter. So you can see that this one will be selected, so toggle will be selected, and then I press enter. I need the Telegram bot token. So for getting the bot token, what you can do is you can go to your Telegram and go to this bot father here and then create a new bot. So I can say new bot or / new bot, create a new bot, choose a name for your new bot. So I can say PE48 bot, and now you can choose a username. So PE48 bot _ bot. So this is a username, and you can see that this token is ready. You can copy this token and just paste it here and press enter. And allowed user IDs, you can leave it blank, but home channel ID, you do need a home channel ID. So for getting that ID, what you can do is you can go to this raw data bot, and once you go there, if you just say /start, you will get your user ID, and then you go back and you set the user ID here. So I just paste it here and then do enter, and you can see that everything is completed. Now what I wanted to show you is this command, Hermes gateway run. So this is the command that we will need to run later. But again, we can see that we didn't use all the tools, basically the free tools, and those tools which doesn't need any API keys, those are turned on. You can at any point of time go ahead and use this web search API keys. You can use Exa, Parallelx, Firecrawl, Tavily. This is my favorite because it gives you about 1,000 searches per month free of cost. And then you can go ahead and launch Hermes chat. I say no for now. Would you like to install the gateway as a background service? Let's go with yes, why not? And then I think everything is ready. So you can see that we have a new folder known as Hermes, and inside it we have all these things. So if you do ls or list space -la, then you can see that we have this Hermes folder, and inside it we have all these files. Now what I can do, as you have seen above, the command that I showed you, this command which is Hermes gateway run, so you need to run this. I can say Hermes gateway run. So this will start the Hermes, and it's waiting for your Telegram now. Now we go back to Telegram and then go back to the bot that you have created and then say /start, and this is you need to pair this. Okay, so ask the bot owner to run this and then it will be paired. So copy this and just put it here. Just stop this service first, and then you're going to paste this thing that we have just copied. So Hermes pairing approved Telegram and that Telegram number. So this is approved. Now you can start Hermes gateway, run again, and now everything is set up. You can go ahead here and say hi, and you should be able to get a response from the bot. So this is how easy it is to set up a Hermes agent and run your favorite new models, any new models. Not only with DeepSeek V4 Pro, you can run any other models. So you can see that I'm Hermes here. Now actually what I wanted to show you is the capabilities of DeepSeek V4. So what I've done is I've created a bug file. Okay, this is a file which has a lot of bugs. So what I can do is I can go to CMD and you can see this type main, and you can see this is the file, a simple file. We have an API key here and then some things here. But if I go ahead and try to run this main bed.py, we have so many issues here. This is one of the issues, but there are other issues as well. What I wanted to do is to give this file via the Telegram to our bot Hermes agent which is running, and then ask it to resolve that. Okay, so if I take this bug file and if I should be able to put this here and then add, like, find the bugs, I am not able to run this file. Okay, let's see if we can send over this file like this, and if Hermes agent is able to get that. So rate limited, waiting 2.1 seconds, attempt 2/3. Okay, no worries, isn't a supported upload format through this chat, but I can still work with Python files. A few examples. If the file is already in your machine, just share the path and I will read it directly, or paste and drop it, rename to a text file and upload. Okay, why not? Let's copy this and change to, let's say, text file, and then just paste in the text file here. Here you go. So it was able to detect, as you can see, everything. Good catch on the .py text file rename. Let me break that code again. Yes, and then share the code with me, the text file or the Python file, whatever you can. Okay, so here is the file. So I can just copy this file and just open up the text file here. Why not? And then copy this and paste it, close this, and then you can, just rename this to py, but let's say good. Okay, and then open up a CMD here and then try to run that file, main good.py, and let's see if it runs. Okay, we get the output and it's a success, but I can ask it to run as well. So save locally, root Hermes main fix.py. I want it to run and verify. Yes, please verify. So it's running this terminal, pip install cd root Hermes fixed, and read this file, output file, after it ran the Python main good file. No crashes, no coroutine, no even loops, all 3 bugs are dead. And that's really amazing. So in this way, we have set up Hermes agent with OpenRouter, and we have used this model, DeepSeek V4 Pro, not the Flash one, but then we were able to set up our bot on Telegram, do everything, send over our work, and get the things done. So this demo is not just to show that this model works, but this demo also shows you how to connect different things and keep it working. Now you can let your Hermes agent run like that. If you have your own GPU, you can obviously keep it running like this. I have a 24 GB GPU running from Runpod, again, not on my local PC, but if you're interested, you can go ahead and use this Runpod. It's amazing. Links in the description, and I will see you with another interesting case in this next video.